Hi, and welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Tom Fotios, and today we're standing in front of a tight 1939 Ford Deluxe. Check this bad boy out. Do you want the neighbors to go wow when you drive by? Come on up, let's check her out. Under the hood we have a wonderful 350 motor backed up with a 350 trans and followed up with a 10-bolt rear end. Chevy, that is. This car has air condition, blows ice cold, and it has heat that blows nice and warm. Let's check her out. Let's check out the paint. The paint on the car is Guards red. It's about a 5-footer. I mean, there's some chips here and there. It's not a brand new paint job, but it's damn nice. I can't tell you how many thumbs up I got driving this. I drove it actually about, 100 miles, and, the heads were just spinning looking at this bad boy. All the trim and everything's a real nice shape. The chrome. I forgot to mention it has a Mustang II front end, front disc brakes. This is a true gem. I mean, it's got a back seat, and we'll get in the interior in a little bit. And don't forget to go to Vanguard Motor Sales and get the 7 deadliest mistakes to buying a classic car online. That will help you save some money. The trunk is done just as nice as the interior, too. Really sharp in there. It's got a newer dual exhaust system too that sounds awesome, and you can drive this car anywhere. I wouldn't hesitate to drive her across country. And this is an all-steel car as well. It's got a great stance. It's got a nice California rake to it. Wow, check out this leather interior. This is real leather interior. It's beautiful tan leather. It's really, really clean. Front and back, it's got a nice headliner. Nice material. It's sporting the original banjo wheel with the locking steering wheel as well, original. It's got the AC heater controls. Looks like a low car shifter possibly. Air condition, heat. She's a true gem. Very comfortable to drive too. And it has the really cool Coker white wall tires I forgot to mention out here. And seat belts. Alright, Aubrey, let's go for a ride in this bad boy. How does it feel back there? It looks really roomy. What a sweet ride this is. It is just really, really fun to drive. It stops on a dime. Steering wheel holds the road. It's drives nice and straight. Real solid car too. check out our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. You can see wonderful pictures of the undercarriage. And don't forget also, download the 7 deadliest mistakes to buying a classic car online. That will save you it'll save you hundreds. And then also join us on Facebook at facebook.com/Vanguard Motor Sales. I'll tell you what, this car is fun to drive. It's really got some good power too, which I like. Holds the road real nice. I don't know if you've been thinking about building one of these. Save yourself a ton of money, buy one done, do a few things to it, make it yours, but don't build one. You can save thousands. I'm out to save you money, because at Vanguard Motor Sales, we are dedicated to putting your dream in your driveway. Don't forget, you can call Tom 7 days a week at 248-974-9513. I can answer all your questions and help you make a decision, because we are dedicated to making your dreams come true. Thank you for joining us today at Vanguard Motor Sales. Stay tuned for our next pass.